Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Chinese takeaway style mushroom curry. Very similar to my chicken version of this curry. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. For those of you who watch my video how to make the curry sauce, you can skip the next 2 minutes. For those of you who haven't, this is how you make it. Okay, the first thing we do is heat the butter and oil in a suitably sized pan, and when it's nice and hot, add the onions and apple and mix through. Continue to fry the apple and onions until they start to soften, and then it's time to add in the curry powder and mix through. Fry the curry powder off for, you guessed it, a minute or two, then it's time to add in the flour and again mix in well. Continue to fry the mixture until the flour is well amalgamated, and it's time to add in the stock a splash at a time. If the sauce looks a bit thin at this point, don't worry, it'll soon come together. The next thing we add to the pot is the grated cream coconut and soy sauce. The next thing we add to the pot is a teaspoon of sugar. Then bring the sauce up to a simmer and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And when the 10 minutes is up, it's out with a stick blender and blend into a fine sauce. Then allow it to simmer until the right consistency is achieved. And when this is done, add salt and pepper to taste. You might need to put more salt in depending on how salty your stock was to start with. And that's the sauce done. Next is on with making the curry itself. And to make this curry as simplicity itself, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized pan, add the onions and mushrooms and fry until they start to take on some colour. Then it's in with the peas and mix around. Next, you spoon over the required amount of curry sauce. Bring up the temperature until it's nice and piping hot, then serve. How hard can that be? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like as normal. And hopefully we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.